So before the drop search began, which was a search for physical evidence left behind me in time, produced and or placed from a future timeline. Physical evidence, a dead drop. Before that began, I had all these inexplicable yet miraculous things happening to me to act on to begin the activity of the dead drop search in my locality, which produced the monuments. And recently discovered James moves the alien stone, amazingly, in front of the studio all this time. All in line of sight to the LEI, LIA, or LIA area. Boom. So, all this is coming. James out.